Here's one for you to try. Use shifts and reflections to graph g of x equals negative absolute value of quantity x plus 1 plus 1. Alright, so let's bring up the rules of shifting and reflecting here, and then we'll have a shot at it. Okay, so you want to set those to memory eventually. Go ahead and pause the video, give this a try, and then we'll work it together. Okay, let's see, we have a lot going on here. When you're trying to figure out what order to do things, you essentially work from the inside out. Work inside to the out. Okay, so what I mean by that is you start here at this working inside the function, and then, so we'll do this first, the plus 1 inside, and then this second, and this third. It's very much like orders of operations. It follows the same flow as you would with orders of operations. We do the inside, the parentheses, we'll treat these as parentheses, and then we multiply, and then finally we add this one at the end. It's the same flow. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so we have, first thing we do is the plus 1 inside the absolute value. Well, this is a plus k, so that's 1 unit to the left. This one here is 1 left. Okay, and then we reflect. So this reflects. Okay, so this is step 1, step 2, and step 3. Now we have a plus 1 outside. This is up k units, so this one here is going to be up by 1. This will be step 3. Okay, well, we start with the base graph, and that's something you should have memorized here. The base graph of just absolute value of x, right? This makes the v absolute value of x. Okay, now let's see here. So we started with 1 to the left, so I'm just going to use an anchor point here of 0, 0. I'm going to take that 1 to the left, then we reflect it. So imagine this whole thing reflecting down, and you can graph these, and some people like to graph each step along the way and then kind of erase it at the end. Other people like to use several different sets of axes. It's up to you how to approach this. I'm just going to go 1 to the left. I'm mentally flipping it down, and then I'm going up 1. Okay, so now we're up 1. We flipped it down, so our new graph is like this. There we go. Absolute value of x plus 1, that is a negative, and then we have plus 1 at the end.